Alright, we're going to start the ET6. So we'll remember that I tried replacing the governor spring and I couldn't find one that fit properly. Try to get some oil all around here. So I put the original spring back in. And what I did instead, to try and get it to slow down, is I put a washer on this linkage here to get some of the slop out between the bar that interferes with the exhaust and the so that it doesn't have to move as far. So we're gonna give this quarter turn open and plug the intake and there we go. I did turn the ignition on. There we go. We'll let that warm up a little bit and see how slow it runs.